Hey guys, I'm getting this ready for LP. I'm boiling some water and I'm making him an eye wash. I have a fourth of a teaspoon of Himalayan pink sea salt in the bottom there, and then I'm going to add to that a half of a cup of the boiling water. And I'm going to stir that, and that's going to be LP's eye wash. I'm going to stir this well until the sea salt is completely dissolved. I'm going to dip out about this much. This isn't really quite a tablespoon. It's like a soup spoon. So I'm going to add 1 spoonful over into this cup because that helps it cool. Okay, try to look up and look over to the side. Anyhow, his eye is really inflamed, but it's much better than it was. So he was working with some cutting wood and he didn't protect his eyes. I have checked on my wrist to see that it's warm but not hot. So he's ready to roll, and this is the little eye cup that he'll be using, and it's glass. And you just want to fill it not too full so that you have a little bit of space, and you can see about where he's done that. And then you just lean forward and you tilt your head back, and you lean forward and you try to establish suction so that the water won't be running down your face. See, none of it is running down his face because he starts out with his head forward, pushing it snugly against his face. And
supposed to blink when you get up there.
Oh yeah, you want to blink. Try to get as much of the salt water into your eye as you can. And that is near to your own saltwater solution that your eyes naturally have. This should be about cool enough.